Showing face on camera can be very difficult for some people, which most of the time prevents people from running YouTube channels and earning money from it. To make sure it doesn't prevent you from running a profitable YouTube channel, we have brought some faceless YouTube channel ideas that will make you run a YouTube channel without showing your face. In the previous video, I showed you 4 best methods for running a YouTube channel without showing your face on camera. This is part 2 of the same video. I have brought 3 more best ways for running a faceless YouTube channel and making profit from it. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. But before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment under this video and press the bell icon so you can be notified whenever a new video is posted on this channel. So the first method is running an educational channel. You can run an educational channel about whatever you have mastered. For example, this guy have mastered English and they are teaching English online from their YouTube channel. The channel name is Learn English with TV series. You can see they have 6.5 million subscribers and their videos are getting millions and millions of views every month. For example, you can see this video, it has 2.4 million views. This video has 3.6 million views. This video has 2.8 million views, and so on. You can run an educational channel about anything that you know and you can teach to anyone online. So if you can teach anything online from your YouTube channel, you can earn money from it. Just record your screen, make your videos and upload it to video and you will be getting millions and millions of views because people on YouTube are learning every day and they are searching for new tutorials every day. If you see this channel on socialblade.com, you will see that they're earning around $17,000 or $18,000 every month. You can be earning the same amount or even more than that if you upload the best tutorial videos on your YouTube channel. The second best faceless YouTube channel idea is to create 2D or 3D animation stories. Animation story topics are the ones which are being searched a lot every day on YouTube. For example, you can see this channel Great Big Story. It has 6.09 million subscribers and each of their video is getting millions of views. For example, this video has 39 million views, which is an insane amount. This video has 2.2 million, this has 1 million, this has 205,000 views. So if you know 2D or 3D animation, you can create a storytelling channel and you can get millions of views and you can earn thousands and hundreds of $1,000s every month. Let's check this channel on socialblade.com. You can see here that they are earning around $47,000 every month, which is an insane amount. You can be earning the same or even more than that if you create a good channel and you have the knowledge of 2D animation. Now the question is, what if someone has passion for running a great storytelling channel but they do not know 2D or 3D animation? What can they do to learn animation? The answer is just go to YouTube, write learn 2D animation or learn 3D animation. You will get thousands of free courses on YouTube. You can watch them and learn before creating the YouTube channel. The third and the simplest YouTube channel idea is presenting toys and creating videos of the toys, which is very simple, very easy and very cheap. This channel idea does not require you to show your face. This even doesn't require you to use your own voice. Just create a toys channel, make videos of the toys and post it on YouTube, which will get you millions and hundreds of thousands of views. For example, this channel Ruhul Toys has 905,000 subscribers, which will soon be 1 million subscribers, and their videos are getting millions and millions of views. For example, if you check this video, it has 304,000 of views, which is posted 2 days ago. This video, which was posted 3 days ago, has 402,000 views, and so on. If you check this video, which was posted 2 months ago, it has 17 million views. This video, which was posted 4 months ago, has 16 million views, and so on. So the toys channel is getting millions and millions of views and they are earning hundreds and thousands of dollars every single month. To check this channel on socialblade.com, you will see that this channel is earning $249,000 every single month from YouTube ad revenue only. and there are many more ways that they can use to earn more from YouTube. This is just the ad revenue earning they have every single month. They can use affiliate marketing, they can be partnering with someone, and so on, and they can earn a lot of money every single month. This is just the amount they are earning from the YouTube ad revenue. So these are the three simplest and easiest no face channel ideas that you can use to create your channel and grow on YouTube. Please let me know in the comments which idea suits you the best and which you will be using for creating your next channel. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and press the bell icon so you can be notified if new videos are posted on this channel. Thanks for watching.